Hello. What happens after you have your 341 hearing in a Chapter 7? So, as a refresher on the process, you file your bankruptcy. You have your 341 hearing about a month after filing. Usually takes like 5-6 minutes. In Minnesota and North Dakota, it's by Zoom. And that might not be the case though in all jurisdictions. So it could be at a in-person hearing in a different jurisdiction. But in North Dakota, Minnesota, by Zoom. So you do your 5 to 6 minute hearing, and then what happens after? You're breathing your sigh of relief, but you're not sure what comes next. So as a reminder, when you file bankruptcy, you have to do a second credit counseling course to get your discharge. So you will not get your discharge if that is not filed with the court. So you always want to make sure that that's done. In Minnesota and North Dakota, if it's not done, the court will issue a reminder. And then, like our team would follow up with you a bunch to make sure it gets done. If that's done, if your 341 hearing's done, the credit counseling course is done, what else? If you're not hearing anything from your legal team, from your attorney, or from the staff members at the firm, you usually are just waiting on your discharge. So you're waiting the 60 days after the hearing just to get that discharge order, and then you can work on the, we offer a free credit repair program, so you can work on that. Work on rebuilding your credit at that time, just waiting for that discharge. If you have follow-up, and a lot of times you kind of know if you're going to have follow-up before your hearing is actually taking place. So for example, if you have non-exempt assets, you have to liquidate or you have to settle, or if you couldn't get a bank statement before filing, but you can get a transaction history, now the trustee wants a bank statement, those types of things. So if there is follow-up, it'd be doing the follow-up. Typically, you're still getting your discharge after the 60 days, even if there is follow-up. So for example, if you have not protected assets in the 7 non-exempt assets, and you're having to settle or pay to keep them, you'd still get your discharge after the 60 days, even if you're doing a settlement with your bankruptcy trustee. But your attorney will always help you with that. You'll always have your legal team in the background, like helping you, directing you on that. So procedurally, if you're not hearing anything, you're just waiting on discharge. If you have specific follow-up questions, anything you still have to provide, then you're doing that and then waiting on discharge. If you have questions about bankruptcy, if you're interested in bankruptcy, we do these vlogs weekly, so make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And we actually have a ton of actual blogs on our website. And then if you're in North Dakota or Minnesota, we offer free consultations. So visit our website or give us a call. Thank you.